All right, so it was a very interesting payout structure. I never seen it before. We were 87 runners, 9 places got paid, but the first cash was 4 buying, so it was pretty big. So it was a big bubble time, and I was already trying to figure it out what would be my strategy when I reached the bubble time. And I was hoping I had enough chips to be able to put some pressure on the other players. And I did so it was very good. And people were folding absurd hands. And I know in the bubble you have to, but as it was 4 buyings and was a lot of money, was around 8,500 euros, the mean cash, people were folding with 6 big blinds, kings pre-flop, and they were showing it. So I think if you manage to have enough chips, you can basically raise a lot and people will hero fold so often. I actually did a hero fold when we were 12 left. I folded jacks pre-flop for a 3-bet. A guy 3-betted from out of position after my raise, and a guy cold called it. So I had 2 options: either jam my jacks or fold. And I know it shouldn't be ICM yet, but the field was very soft, and I just thought, okay, if I get call here, it's never good. I have enough chips. I'm probably cashing. So yeah, I think put a lot of pressure, but pick your spots. And please don't fold kings pre-flop against a guy who's raising everything. I know it's bubble time. I know it's important to cash, but it's still poker. So like you still have to play sometimes. And if the guy is raising every hand, just stack it in.